Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can show your discounts on Shopify. Now, this feature isn't natively built onto Shopify, so you'll have to use an external app. The way you can get an external app is by going on here, apps, and then just pressing the plus button there, add apps, scroll down, and then Shopify App Store. The free app I recommend is called Rocket, Rocket Sales and Discount. Besides being free, it also has a funny pun as its name. But once you're here, let's just press install. Wait for it to install and then just press on install. And now we can set up our discounts. We can create a new cell by going here. I'm just going to delete this old one first. I'm going to deactivate it. Anyways, now create sales. Create sale, sorry. And then I'm going to name this really cool discount. Really cool discount. It's gonna be 10% off on all items. And well, yeah, whole store where you can make it specific products, specific collections, specific tags, blah, 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 blah. You can set other things in here, but once you're happy with this, let's just save. As you can see, it's now active. Now let's check if the discount is showing. Customize. Let's scroll down. And as you can see, the discount is showing and there's a cool little sale icon in there as well. Let's check. It's on sale. Okay, pretty good. Now your discount is showing on your Shopify website.